Hi guys, welcome back to our channel How Logical. Today in this video I am going to show you how to log into your Bitstamp account. To do so, follow some simple steps with me. First of all, go to your browser and your default search engine. Then search Bitstamp login. Then go to the first result that shows up or go to www.bitstamp.net. It will then take you to the official website of Bitstamp. From there, click the login button from the top right corner. Once the page has been loaded up, enter your email address or your user ID. Then enter your password. You can reassure your password by clicking to this eye icon. Once you have entered your login credentials, click to login. Then you should be able to access your Bitstamp account. If you have forgot your password, you can get help by clicking to Forgot Password. And if you are new to Bitstamp, you can register an account by clicking to Register Now for free. This was for today's video. If you guys find our video helpful, please do a like and comment. And do not forget to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. I'll see you guys again in our next video. Thank you.